demonstration. To ensure this best opportunity to understand this important information, please remove all headphones now. We would again like to welcome you aboard Frontier Airlines Airbus A318 jet service to Denver. Our flying time is just under 2 hours today, and your flight attendants from front to back are Christopher, Krista, and my name is Nina. Captain Caverden is on command, and he's assisted by First Officer Jancic. On behalf of your flight crew, and we have Grizwald, the Grizzly Bear, on our tail, we'd like to thank you for choosing Frontier today. Please make sure that your seat back and tray tables in their upright and locked position. Check to see that your seat belt is securely fastened and that all carry-on items, including handbags, are completely underneath the seat in front of you. In the seat back pocket, you'll find a safety information card illustrating important safety features of this aircraft. Please direct your attention to the flight attendants as we demonstrate these safety features. 2. Fasten your seat belt. Insert the flat metal end into the buckle too tight. Pull on the loose strap. And to release, lift up on the top of the buckle. Seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your laps. Our aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 2 over-the-wing exits. Each exit is equipped with an evacuation sign that inflates automatically when opened. All exits are clearly marked with red and white exit signs. Emergency lighting along the aisles will direct you to red lights at all exits. Locate your nearest exit, keeping in mind it may be behind you. In the event of a water evacuation, your seat cushion is designed for flotation. The cushion is easily removed and may be used by placing your arms through the straps on the bottom and hugging it tightly to your chest. Additional information regarding flotation devices for small children may be found in your safety information card. Our cabin will be pressurized during flight should there be a loss of cabin pressure. Oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above your seat. Immediately pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the elastic band, and breathe normally. The mask can be adjusted by pulling on the tabs on either side of the mask. Please adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger, and although oxygen is flowing, the bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with crew member instructions. Fasten seatbelt signs, all other lighted information signs, and posted placards. Smoking is not permitted on the aircraft, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. In just a moment, we will reactivate that DirecTV programming. Please enjoy this free preview, compliments of Frontier. If you have Classic or Classic Plus indicated on your boarding pass, we will activate your complimentary TV after takeoff. Thanks for your attention, and we hope you enjoy your flight.
Good afternoon, welcome aboard. We're ready for departure. Flight attendants, please be seated.